The most dangerous beverages for your nerves. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Optimal Health Junction channel. I'm your health buddy, and today we have a refreshing topic to discuss. Do you ever feel jittery or anxious after drinking a particular beverage? If so, you're not alone. Many people don't realize that certain drinks can have a real effect on their nerves and mental well-being. Today, we're taking a look at the most dangerous beverages for your nerves and exploring why they should be avoided. From energy drinks to alcoholic beverages, these drinks can have a serious impact on your mood and health if they're not consumed in moderation. So, if you're looking to take care of your mental health, it's important to stay aware of the most dangerous beverages for your nerves. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. The role of beverages in our daily lives. Beverages play a significant role in our daily lives. Whether it's our morning coffee to kickstart the day or a glass of wine to unwind in the evening, we often rely on these drinks for comfort, energy, or relaxation. However, it's important to recognize that not all beverages are created equal, especially when it comes to their impact on our nerves and mental well-being. The most dangerous beverages for your nerves sheds light on the drinks that can have a detrimental effect on our nervous system. It's crucial to understand that excessive consumption of certain beverages can lead to jitters, anxiety, and even long-term negative effects on our mental health. By becoming aware of the dangers associated with these drinks, we can make informed choices about our beverage consumption and prioritize our mental well-being. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into the specifics of how caffeine affects the nervous system, the dangerous effects of energy drinks, the hidden dangers of soft drinks, the impact of alcohol on the nervous system, and finally, provide tips on reducing consumption of these nerve-damaging beverages. Stay tuned to learn more about taking care of your nerves and making healthier choices in your beverage habits. Understanding the impact of caffeine on the nervous system. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in many beverages, can have a significant impact on the nervous system. When consumed, caffeine blocks adenosine receptors in the brain, which helps us feel awake and alert. However, excessive consumption of caffeine can lead to jitteriness, increased heart rate, and anxiety. The effects of caffeine vary from person to person, with some individuals being more sensitive to its stimulating effects than others. Caffeine stimulates the release of adrenaline, the hormone responsible for the fight or flight response. This can leave you feeling anxious and on edge. Additionally, caffeine can interfere with the quality of your sleep, leading to restlessness and insomnia. While a moderate amount of caffeine can be beneficial for improving focus and concentration, it's important to be mindful of your caffeine intake. Be aware of the caffeine content in your beverages and consider limiting or avoiding caffeine altogether if you're prone to anxiety or have trouble sleeping. Understanding the impact of caffeine on the nervous system can help you make informed decisions about your beverage choices and protect your mental well-being. Energy drinks and their dangerous effect on the nerves. Energy drinks have become increasingly popular in recent years, but their effects on the nervous system are cause for concern. These high-caffeine beverages are often marketed as a quick energy boost, but they can have dangerous effects on our nerves and mental well-being. The excessive amounts of caffeine and other stimulants found in energy drinks can lead to increased heart rate, anxiety, and even panic attacks. The combination of caffeine and sugar can create a temporary energy surge, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling drained and fatigued. What's even more concerning is that energy drinks are often consumed in large quantities, especially by young adults and teenagers. This can lead to even more pronounced negative effects on the nervous system, including increased heart rate, insomnia, and even increased risk of heart problems. Soft drinks and their hidden dangers to the nervous system. Soft drinks, while often enjoyed for their refreshing taste, can pose hidden dangers to the nervous system. These fizzy beverages are loaded with sugar, artificial sweeteners, and other additives that can have a negative impact on our mental well-being. Consuming excessive amounts of soft drinks can lead to increased anxiety, mood swings, and even contribute to the development of mental health disorders such as depression. One of the primary concerns with soft drinks is their high sugar content. Consuming large amounts of sugar can lead to a sudden spike in blood glucose levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling fatigued and irritable. This roller coaster effect can worsen anxiety symptoms and make it harder to regulate your mood throughout the day. Additionally, soft drinks often contain artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame or sucralose, which have been linked to neurological issues. Some studies suggest that these sweeteners may disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, potentially contributing to mood disorders. It's important to be mindful of your soft drink consumption and opt for healthier alternatives, such as infused water or herbal teas. By reducing your intake of these nerve-damaging beverages, you can support your nervous system and promote better mental well-being. Alcohol and its effects on the nervous system. Alcohol, while often enjoyed for its relaxing effects, can have a significant impact on the nervous system. When consumed, alcohol acts as a depressant, slowing down brain activity and impairing cognitive function. This can lead to a range of effects on the nerves and mental well-being. Excessive alcohol consumption can result in symptoms such as mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. Alcohol disrupts the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, affecting our emotions and mental state. Additionally, alcohol can interfere with the quality of our sleep, leading to restlessness and insomnia. Long-term heavy drinking can have even more severe effects on the nervous system. It can damage nerve cells, leading to memory loss, cognitive impairment, and increased risk of mental health disorders, such as depression and anxiety disorders. Tips on reducing consumption of nerve-damaging beverages. 1. Start by being aware of your beverage habits. Take note of how much caffeine, sugar, and alcohol you consume on a daily basis. This awareness will help you identify areas where you can make changes. 2. Gradually reduce your intake. If you're accustomed to drinking several cups of coffee or energy drinks a day, try cutting back one drink at a time. Replace them with healthier alternatives like herbal teas or infused water. 3. Set limits for yourself. Establish a daily limit for caffeine or alcohol consumption that feels reasonable and sustainable for you. Stick to those limits and be mindful of portion sizes. 4. Experiment with alternatives. Explore non-caffeinated options like decaf coffee, herbal teas, or sparkling water to satisfy your beverage cravings without the negative effects on your nerves. 5. Seek support if needed. If you're finding it difficult to reduce your consumption on your own, consider seeking support from a healthcare professional or joining a support group. They can provide guidance and help you stay accountable. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.